Hello and welcome to another episode of Ken Training, where we want to train you on how to do projects like this one on your own. Today's project is going to be a product review of this product right here called Drainbo. So the problem here is in the bathroom sink where my wife uses the sink. Girls compared to boys use a lot of lotions and gels and things of this nature compared to men, and what happens is these gels all go down the drain and they get caught here in the drain and they produce what's called biofilm. That biofilm over time produces a smell, and this product called Drainbo is an enzyme killer. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to use 32 ounces of warm water to 4 ounces of liquid. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then you open up the sink drain and then you allow it to go down into the drain and sit overnight. And then during the evening, the enzyme in Drainbo is eating up all of the biofilm and it's supposed to be gone the next day. In reality, it helps, but it's not perfect. It usually requires a few treatments. So if you're looking for instantaneous results, this product is not going to be your go-to. You're better off taking apart the P-trap. This is the P-trap down here, and then cleaning everything out. Now, in my situation, I'm going to make my life a lot easier right now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change my tailpiece design, and I'm going to install this tailpiece design right here where it has a pop-up valve that comes off, and then you can clean out the tailpiece with with a brush similar to this. This is an appliance brush. Then when you rod it out, you can clean it out like this, and you don't have to take it apart. That is the benefit of having a sink drain with a pop-up stopper that just simply comes off. So if you want to see how to clean your drain a lot easier compared to the current situation, let me show you the current situation. All right, so currently what we do is we have a handle back here, and when you operate that handle and you pull that up, it closes that valve right there, and that is how we currently operate. The new situation is going to be different, where it is not going to do that. It's going to just simply operate by doing that technique that I showed you. All you have to do is just simply take it up, and then boom, you have a clear shot at cleaning it out. Right now, we can't do that. So if you want to see how to change out one of these on your own for a longer term fix, go ahead and hit that video link right there. Otherwise, that is the product review for this product, Drainbo. It is not a bad product. It absolutely works as intended. But depending how bad the biofilm is, you may have to do more than one treatment. You may have to treat it for a few nights for that in a row before that smell finally goes away. I hope you got some valuable information out of this video. Please smash that like button down. It helps me promote this video. Subscribe to my channel, Ken Training. I will catch you on the flip side. I think it's right there. Maybe it's on this side. And actually, I think it is on this side. All right, if you want to... Hold on now. So if you would like to watch a video on how to change out your sink tailpiece, go ahead and click that link right here. Otherwise, that is the product review for this product, Drainbo. Otherwise, that is the product review for this product, Drainbo. It is not a bad product. It absolutely works as intended, But depending how bad the biofilm is, you may have to do more than one treatment. You may have to treat it for a few nights for that in a row before that smell finally goes away. I hope you got some valuable information out of this video. Please smash that like button down. It helps me promote this video. Subscribe to my channel, Ken Training. I will catch you on the flip side.